Hi, Joe Cerrone, and welcome to CAD 107, Introduction to 3D Printing. I'm going to just make this video to just kind of give an overview of our first assignment. You will need the AutoCAD software, and students can download this software from the students' website, students.autodesk.com. You'll also need these two textbooks, 3D Printing Projects and Mastering 3D Printing. In content, we're going to take a look at our CAD software, and we have this 50-cent piece, and we can download the coin file right here. And then after it completes downloading, we can open the file. This is just a warning. We'll ignore it. And this is what AutoCAD looks like out of the box. If you move your mouse, or if you use the tablet, and we do recommend that you use a mouse with the software, it makes it a lot easier. If you do use the mouse, if you have a mouse with a wheel on it, if you turn the wheel, it increases and decreases the magnification, and it goes where the cursor is pointed. So if I put the cursor over here and then I turn the wheel, it'll go over there. If I put the cursor over here, turn the wheel, it'll go over there. And this is what a CAD drawing looks like, and a little bit more about some of the mousing skills. You can also use these pan and zoom icons, and so if I go here, that's going to be my zoom. I'm not too good with these. I'm just going to push the wheel on the mouse, use it that way, and then I'll turn it to pan it and zoom. So this is what CAD looks like, and if I click on it, you'll get a grip. If I hit the escape key, it clears the grip out. And then up here we have these different draw commands. Draw commands would be used to create geometry, like a circle. If I click circle, click on the screen, I can create a circle. If I want to create a rectangle, another circle. If you right mouse click, you'll get these content sensitive menus that come up. And so if you're in a draw command or a draw circle command, it gives it back to you. Again, to pan into zoom, you can push the wheel on the mouse to pan it. To zoom it, I can turn the wheel on the mouse. And CAD is a very versatile program. It allows you to do what they call vector-based geometry, meaning everything is mathematically calculated. And so if I have this circle and then I hover over one of these grips, it tells me that that circle has a radius of 4.2018. And that's the thing about CAD, is it's very, very precise. If I hit escape, I can clear out that grip. And so we just want to kind of drive around the CAD system a little bit, take a look at it. Feel free to experiment. If you want to say text, you can make a little box here. It's kind of small. Can do things like move. And then we can save our file. And so we could just save this as your initials dash Oakton 50 coin, and I'll hit save. Okay, that ends this brief introduction video to CAD.